gold, and gold in general, of course, is very strong. I have worked with the idea that the E leg might have ended here. That gave me one and possibly second wave still ongoing. We're looking at gold futures. Yes, continuous contract hourly with a possible inverse head and shoulders. If that is correct, it should stop falling. It should reverse and start running higher. Okay. Any further weakness is most likely to be attributed to extension of the second wave. Okay, at this point in time, I do not expect it to come down to break 3,300. If that happens, I'm going to have to revise the set of labelings that I put here. That will not work. But all in all, of course, I'm not expecting this. I'm not expecting this. Let's have a look now at the spot price. Spot price, less labelings here, but it is looking okay as far as I'm concerned as an A, B, C, D, E that may have ended here. If not, another option is that the E leg is still ongoing, okay, or that there is something that escaped me that will become highly likely in case it breaks this level. Okay, if it does break this level, we're going to have to see what is going on. Are we going for an extended E leg like this? A, B, C, D, A, B, C. Imagine something like this. Yeah. The thing is that coming down and coming up here, that looks very much like 5-leg run. So it's not very likely to be a B. Because what would you do? You're going to take this as an A, B, and that's a C. And that doesn't look very much like a C, you see. So for now, I'm still sticking with this interpretation that that's the end of the E leg. And we are looking at a 1-2, and it is likely to come back. This is the hourly. It could be resolved today or in the next few days. That's going to be resolved. Either way, even if it dips like that, do not expect that. I would be super, super surprised. Okay, I'm thinking I have the picture of royal gold in my head. I will review it later. Just go and take a look at royal gold, RGLD, and you will see where that particular stock, that fund that is suggesting gold is going to. You will see very bullish structure there. This is silver. That is silver futures hourly. And some would say it's a mess. Some would say it's stable. I would say one thing is clear. It is a consolidation. It's not a distribution as far as I'm concerned. The big bears will say, no, we have a shoulder, head, shoulder. It's going to break. This is going to collapse. Anything could happen. But I think that in the case of silver, at this point in time, I don't think it's right to be very bearish. I think that this is likely 1 or A. This is B or 2. The way that it came back very quickly after hitting this support is telling me there is more strength in this one than meets the eye. And that could just be a consolidation before it perks up. It comes back. It comes back. The key is to prepare your reaction. What you're going to do if it runs back to 38, 90, basically challenging the previous high. What are you going to do? You got to prepare. Yeah, it's also important how it's going to come back up. Yeah, if it's going to come back up like that, you're probably not going to think of selling at all, or just working with very tight stops, because something like that would tell you get out of the way. Don't mess up with it. It wants to go a lot higher. Yeah, if it comes back up here in a patchy way, how could I say, maybe like that, maybe a struggling way like that, yeah. So that would look more like a correction, in which case you want to consider this as an A, B, C, and then it could drift sideways to down again. Okay, here's the chart of spot silver. Again, fewer labelings, with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 telling us this is an A, perhaps second wave over. But if this is an A, what is going on now is a B, and we will see a C developing later on. The C might not go that low, might go just to retest this level. Okay, so if we do end up having a C like that, imagine it goes back, it gives you a sort of a parallel channel developing here, and then take off. So that's the version, if you like, the version of the wave count that I have on spot gold, spot silver, sorry.